when you realize you're only one herb garden away from glowing skin. Yes, that's right, your kitchen is a treasure trove of natural beauty enhancers. Let's explore the magic just waiting in there. For starters, turmeric isn't just for curry. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce acne and brighten skin. Mix it with honey for a soothing face mask. Next up, green tea. Don't just drink it, brew it, cool it, and then use it as a toner. It's packed with antioxidants that refresh and rejuvenate tired skin. Ever thought about coffee for your skin? Ground coffee serves as an excellent exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Move over fancy creams, because aloe vera is here to hydrate. Its natural gel works wonders as a moisturizer. Finally, lavender isn't just for sleep. Its calming scent reduces stress, and when applied topically, it can soothe skin irritations. Turning herbs into your beauty routine doesn't just save money, it empowers you to control what goes on your skin. Ready to glow naturally? Try these tips and hit that subscribe button for more DIY wellness hacks, straight from your pantry.